We've had a few cryptos bounce in the markets over the last 24 hours, and as we can see, Luna Classic being one of them finally. So we bounced from that 0.00024 level all the way up to the 0.00029 right here. We are up 13% against Ethereum, up 4.7% against Bitcoin, guys. This is really, really cool. Happy Friday to you all, by the way. I hope you're doing fantastic, having a great week, spending time with loved ones. And if you're new to the channel, hop into my Discord down below for free crypto talk, advice, and much, much more. And slap that subscribe button. Let's help me get to 7,000 subscribers. So what's happening with Terra Classic at the moment? We can see we are rank 32. We climbed back up now from rank 33. The market cap is back to 1.7 billion, so it's looking slightly healthier. In terms of the volume that's happening on exchanges, we're getting a lot more come through KuCoin at the moment. It looks like the actual volume has decreased now on Binance since the news about the burning mechanism didn't get actually deployed onto Binance now, which is a bit of a shame, really. So I suppose there's a lot of FUD firstly around how holders feel about the 1.2% burning on all transactions, to reduce the supply on Binance didn't happen. People are annoyed about that. And also the FUD associated with the warrant arrest thingy with Do Kwon, right, the founder of Terraform Labs. So this is two things that have really, really been deleterious on the price of Luna Classic. So if you give a damn anyway about all this kind of stuff, do watch to the end. We're going to talk about it. So this is the key rising falling wedge that we have been talking about. Oh yeah, this is a big baddie. This one here is really, really tough. We're trying to break out of these resistance ranges, right? We've tried here, we got rejected. We tried here, we got rejected. We tried multiple times here, we got rejected. And guess what? We're trying here, but we're still getting that rejection at the bottom of the falling wedge, which typically is where you are likely to see the breakout, right? At the bottom of the wedge. Not where the lines converge, but just at the bottom, somewhere close to the bottom. So what is good is we broke through the resistance here at the 0.000275 level. And we did get a little bit of a breakout, but we ended up basically dead cat pouncing. It was a fake out more than anything. As you see, we came up, we came back through the resistance, and I was just sitting above that resistance trend line. So we are now flipping it into support. We might be able to hold this particular level, but I am keeping my eye out on the potential possibility that this could just be a bit of a what's the word? A bit of a I suppose a fake out, really. Maybe a double top potential formation here, which is typically bearish. I don't want to put bearish sort of thoughts into your minds, but we could see a bit of a bearish reversal here if we do break through what is now a support on the previous resistance trend line of this falling wedge. So 0.000286 is a very, very imperative support level right now, guys. Hopefully we don't break through it, otherwise we could sail back down to the 0.27 level. So it might not happen, but it's just a possibility. Looking at that 4-hour time frame now, you can see things look much better on the RSI, setting ourselves up for more accumulation as we are no longer overheated. There is no bearish divergence. Looking at the 20-day moving average, we're now underextended, and we keep getting rejected on that 20-day moving average rejection. So as long as we are below this 20-day moving average, in my opinion, we are still in the inception of a downtrend. So we really need to get ourselves through this 20-day moving average and work up towards the top of the Bollinger Band again, because as you see, when you're above this 20-day moving average, that's when you're in that uptrend, you're retesting it, getting the bounce, right? Here, we're retesting it as a resistance and we're getting a rejection, furthermore putting us into a nasty looking downtrend. So that's what we don't want for Terra Luna Classic. Can we get the breakout? I think it's still possible. The next target for me, guys, is going to be that 0.00033 level, which would offer potential gains of up to 14% from current price levels. Of course, we don't know what the trajectory of the crypto markets are going to be. September is notoriously bad. We could still see Bitcoin flop to 17.5k, and as a result, there would be upheaval and havoc across the entire blockchain markets. We'd probably see altcoins come down. As a result, maybe even see Terra Luna Classic retest 2.5 or even the 2.3 levels. Now remember, Luna Classic is a community token. That is the truth. So it can be a little bit independent to Bitcoin. It can move independently, maybe not be so correlated to Bitcoin's path, which is a good thing. But, looking at this, it does look like another classic swing high where effectively if we do get rejected here, we might put through another swing low. But I think we are on the way to retest the 0.33 level, in my opinion, with a small chance of us coming down to the 0.25 level. So you know, you can do what you want with that sort of information. I'm not going to tell you to go long or short, but I'm just telling you what I see on the charts here. Looking at the daily quickly, it is nice to see that we have come under that 20-day moving average finally. As we see, we're under this blue line. So just like over here, and this is why we shouldn't really worry too much. We came under the 20-day moving average after a massive pump over here. And you can see the total correction from the top to bottom was 54%. Now, if you look at what's just happened recently, let's compare the two scenarios, because I'm trying to show you that let's normalize fear, right? This was a 59%, right? 59% from the top to the bottom. Here we had 55% from the top to the bottom, and we fell back through the 20-day moving average. So if we can trade sideways for a bit, retest that 20-day moving average, push back through the moving average, I think we could still be onto something quite big here. I still think it's possible to get up to 0.001. That's right, 2 zeros, so wiping off another 0, but I just can't say exactly when I think it will happen. Lunar Classic, we are seeing a bit more supply burnt. We're up to 0.057 now. We still need more Lunar Classic to get burned. So yeah, let's see, pardon me, what will happen with this one. Very, very excited for the future of Lunar Classic, and I hope you guys are too. Guys, ladies and gents, if you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button, come and say hello in the Discord. We've got a big community growing, about 500 people, and we're talking about everything crypto, especially Lunar Classic. If you'd like to also support me, you can actually hop on over to my Patreon page, which is just down below. If you need a bit of hand-holding through the crypto markets, you're going to get access to the Discord Premium. You're going to get a free ebook as well, which is packed with value, guys. You're going to get some leveraged trade signals and one-on-one messaging. Anything you need to learn about, just let me know and I'll do my best to get back to you accordingly. I'm quite a busy guy, but I will do my best. So, you know, you can even support just £3 a month if you just want to support. It's not too much money. I know I sound like an absolute beggar here, but it's just to try and motivate myself, because everyone's always saying, oh, you should be pushing your Patreon. It's just like, I just feel like some sort of villain, some sort of evil villain. But anyhow, if you do want the help, it's there for you. So yeah, that's about a wrap. Terra Lunar Classic, let's see what happens. Rank 32, can we hit the 0.0003 mark? I think so. Bye for now. Slap that sub. Stay crypto safe, you lovely people, you.